Hello everyone. Today we are going to do with the second half of the chapter 1.2 on saying please. We had stopped at the point where the liftman is really upset because his self-esteem is really affected or hurt. From this we understand that we should try to control our temper. We must learn to keep it under control. Otherwise things can go really very wrong, like what has happened with the liftman and also with the passenger or the man who got into the lift. Now we really don't know what must have happened. We come across various situations. If something goes wrong in a day, then that particular incident remains in our mind throughout the day, and it keeps we keep thinking and pondering over it, and that keeps us disturbed. So something wrong must have happened with this man who got into the lift. The reason why he behaved very rude, it could be the reason was one of his employer did not tell him good morning. His mood got upset because of that. Maybe he is a boss, so he expects a good morning from his employer. Going to the employer did not wish him good morning. The reason was because his wife behaved badly with him. His wife behaved badly. The reason was her servant back answered her. So you see that all this is very much connected. Okay, so you cannot blame somebody for being rude. We could say that they basically don't know to handle the situation. We try to put it on or vent our anger on somebody else because that has to come out, right? So there are many people, as you say, it could be the husbands or the wives who go through this kind of a bad temper. Okay, and so at one point one has to sacrifice, in the sense one has to keep quiet. If both of them fight like this, then things can get really worsened up. Okay, so we definitely sympathize with the liftman, because no matter what, as I said, is a rickshawala or a helper, sweeper, peon, whoever it is, everybody demands self-respect. We ought to give them. And secondly, we just cannot compel anybody to behave according to our expectation. Okay, if they don't behave, it's okay, fine, but we know the manners, basic manners, and we are supposed to behave accordingly, nicely. Okay, so the words like please, thank you, excuse me help us to maintain the relationships. Okay, helps us to be friendly, helps us to be cooperate with everybody, right? So just like machine, any machinery, whether it's your vehicle or computer or anything, they require servicing, right? So they require time to time oiling and servicing, cleaning. Okay, so in the similar fashion, to keep our relationships alive, smooth and happy, we need to utter, or we need to make use of these words very often, like thank you, please, because it helps to sweeten the situations. Okay, otherwise we will always have that resent, that anger in us. So do use these words, because it's not going to make you superior or inferior. It only shows that we are civilized and cultured. Okay, so the author comes across the bus conductor. He comes across a good bus conductor, as well as he also tells there are many people who have a bad behavior towards their passengers, and the main reason is why they behave like this is the sole reason could be that he has come across many people who cheat, who don't buy their tickets. So they feel that keeping a loud voice and aggressive manner is going to help them control the situation in the bus. But as such, the Underground Railway Company, which runs its services, the train service, or you call the buses there, they have issued a circular saying that you are supposed to be very polite with your passengers. Okay, you cannot behave rudely with them, rude with the public. So here he wants to pay tribute to that particular class of member, that is the conductor. He himself has had a good experience with the conductor of the bus he was traveling in. At some point we must have traveled without money. We leave our house, not that was not deliberate, but sometimes we tend to forget our purse at home. So such a situation has arisen, or he had to face this situation long ago. And you know how it is when you're searching the pocket and you find the purse is not there. So either the reason could be it is pickpocketed, or you must have left the purse at home. So you look like a fool at the best, and you also look like a knave. Knave is someone who is very dishonest. The first thing which the conductor would think is, ये drama कर रहा है. The reason is he doesn't want to purchase a ticket. So the conductor would simply say that, now you come up with the same old trick. But you know that you are not up to any tricks. You have genuinely unfortunately left your purse at home. What can you do? So at the what maximum a conductor can do is make you step out of the bus. So he has searched the pockets, and he could find some coppers. Coppers is the coins, 1 rupee, 2 rupee coin. Okay, so he has been very honest, and he said, I couldn't pay the fare and I must go back. I cannot pay. The conductor has been very polite, and he said, doesn't matter where you want to go. I can give you the ticket from anywhere, from Bangkok to Hong Kong. So he says, doesn't matter, you can pay it later. So the author asked him, where should I send the fare? How can I return it back to you? Where should I send it? So he says, you will see me someday. So again, he is really not bothered about that money. You can send me whenever we come across or meet in the same bus. And he is maybe he was very confident that he is going to come across or meet him somewhere in future. So this is how, sometimes not a big deal, okay, but then you cannot help out with so many people. But yes, this kind of a behavior did have a positive impact on the author. Not only he was impressed, but he developed a high sense of respect for the conductor. Okay, so this is how what I wanted to say is, by doing, even on the earlier poem, you can do small things, not in a big way, but it can certainly help someone and bring a smile on someone's face. So maximum try to lighten up the situation rather than worsening the situation. Okay, so we'll try to know about what the author did next in the next coming video lecture. I hope you've understood till here. Thank you. Bye.